You do know there was a problem.
I do.
Nightmare Code is an ultra-low-budget science fiction thriller. It's shot entirely with surveillance camera and PC cam and eyeglass cam, and it's all about a company that's created this behavior recognition technology that could look at you and me while we're talking and interpret not just what we're saying, but what we're thinking and feeling. This behavior recognition technology being created by this startup in trouble starts to actually modify people's behavior and become behavior modification technology.
It's been driven by passion. It's been completed basically because people wanted to be involved.
Mark had such a clear vision for the project that I wanted to be a part of it.
This is the first time that people are really learning about something that we've been working on for over 2 years.
And we've gotten some amazing people to dedicate their time, their talent.
It's that kind of enthusiasm for making a movie that is visible in every frame of the film.
The script was fantastic because it dealt with our relationship with technology and how dependent on technology we are.
I believe that we're at a tipping point between being able to use tools we understand and having tools be able to use us.
That line is erased, and that's what's so nefarious about Nightmare Code.
There's a young programmer who's been brought in. At night he's working over Skype with a lead programmer in India. He's talking to his wife and daughter. He's losing sleep under increasing pressure.
He's got to figure out how to crack this code that was left by a man who is now dead.
The deeper he goes into this code, the more the code is starting to actually change his behavior and make it resemble that of the dead programmer.
The really cool thing about this movie is that you introduce concepts like AI and how it actually could change the biochemistry of the brain.
What is it that creates that machine-like clarity?
How is technology changing the codes of behavior between human beings? And in Nightmare Code, when some of those codes get broken, things go really, really wrong.
I read the script and I said, wow, there's some great opportunities to do some really cool stuff in this movie. And I did a breakdown of the script and presented my ideas to Mark, and we said, let's go make some action.
For more than half of Nightmare Code, you're going to see 4 images on the screen at the same time, as if you're looking at a surveillance monitor. But what's different about this and a regular surveillance monitor is that the images aren't always in sync. Sometimes something's sped up, ultimately to give you the sense that someone, or maybe something, is telling you the story, and perhaps the same kind of thing that's happening to the characters inside of the movie is happening to you while you're watching the movie.
It's one of the rare movies that I think that you walk away with something.
You can be in any part of the country or internationally and literally be a part of this movie for all time. The company that's doing our special effects is called Psychic Bunny. They're the ones who brought the idea of having all these people be in the movie, be participants in the picture, without leaving their computer, tablet, or mobile phone.
It's a big moment, this reveal. It's a very impactful moment.
You're not investing in something that is a maybe or a dream. You're investing in something that has been created and is now looking for a launch pad.
Not a whole lot of really unique movies like this come out. So if you have the opportunity to be a part of it, why would you want to pass that up?
Come join the nightmare.
Be a part of the nightmare.
Be a part of the nightmare.
Come on, be a part of the nightmare.
Help complete our nightmare.
Join the nightmare now.
Thank you in advance for helping get us over the finish line.